It's 2026, and I know you want to keep your e-commerce empire static. Today I've got a new interesting video. I want you to create your own empire starting from today. No more procrastination, no more delay, and to make sure that you don't procrastinate.
Okay, so come to use BuildMyStore AI. I'll share a link in the description. This will enable us to build our Shopify store in a few minutes. So what we're going to do, we're going to start our free trial. Don't mind, I'm not promoting a tool today. This is not a promotion. I'm just sharing information. Although you might do that, or I'll get the cut perhaps, but your credit card is not required at this moment. So I will then punch in my email address, my phone number, and we're on our way creating our account. They have got an account that free AI crafted for you. So, I saw a very good product that I want to see how it would look if I do this too. So I'm going to go into the home garden niche. Before I go any further, please don't hesitate to subscribe. I share information about creating your own online store from scratch. I also share DIY tips and tools you can do to improve your store. I will also do a few videos around AI. I've helped quite a lot of people. So, home DIY is not what I wanted. No, I wanted kitchen tools, etc. Let's see if I can pick a niche again. Let's try again. Electronics, gadgets, fashion and apparel. Let me say fashion and apparel. Oh, let's do gadgets. There we go. So then I get to pick the type of gadget store that I want. Allowed to sell phones and laptops, cameras. This one, two. I would love this one. No, not this one. I'll take this one. Done. Here comes where it needs me to access Shopify. So what I will do is I will get link in description to get. I will click this one. You will get the bonus. I will use link in description to get my Shopify store trial. Start with email. I punch in my email address. Where I now start for free. I put in my password. So it's correct password. Let's see, what did I do? Perhaps I already have an account with this. Which means I've got an account. I've got an account of this. I've got an account obviously with this Shopify store. Let's try to recover, to reset it. Let's see, there's a new activation code. Okay. But you won't have to go all this. You won't have to do all these steps. So, not now. Not now. Don't want to subscribe now, but if it's you, just look in your store, make sure that they won't charge you anything. Just look in to make sure that your shop you are not disturbed randomly. No business idea. I make my product. I might even consider to print out demand, it's up to me. Store name, I will name it. Obviously something good, something professional. I will name it maybe perhaps let's say fashion world, gadget world. Finish. So here I'm prompted to select the plan. I'll pick it later. So as you can see now, we've got a blank Shopify store with nothing on it. So I want to use AI to build the store. So what we're going to do is I'm going to say access Shopify after I've created an account, obviously. Make sure I do this. Make sure you take this after you use link in description and you have obviously created the Shopify account the way I did. Then you come here, you say access Shopify store. Then you don't put in your link. There's no need to put your email here again. No more need to put your email again. We've already done this process. You click done. Then you come here, you take your store URL, you paste it, you click done. There you go. You click access Shopify, just like that. Then here you make sure you look in your subscription. I will look in my subscription. Hit subscribe. So today's free. Don't worry, they won't charge you. That's the dollar that I meant. They won't take the dollar today. They won't take the dollar. So subscription confirmation, I will have to just confirm my address. Thanks. So I've confirmed my subscription. I go back and click done. Then I install app. The store builder app. There I go. And go to my store. So for me to get products on my store the easiest way without any programs, although I might remove them later, I'll consider registering on AutoDS. If you want to do dropshipping based in perhaps outside South Africa, this is a good option. Disclaimer, I've never tested AutoDS, so I don't know how to fulfill in South Africa. But if you're from South Africa, at the end of the video, I will help you on how to get suppliers. Don't worry about that. So let's sign up with our account. And click my email address. So I select platform, I want to do Shopify. I just have to pick a plan. But don't worry, you won't be charged anything today. It's just for to make sure that you're logged in. So use my linked account here. I linked account. Fortunately, this one is insufficient funds. You can check it. But not the main one. Let's see how we can do this one. Okay, it's okay. Let's just click done. So the store is now live. Let's see our store. So you can see all products have been filled in. Unfortunately, it did not do justice on the banner, but we can pretty much do some a few things there. Don't worry. It's because I didn't pick banner at first. Let me just go to step 1. Let's try to go to step 1 again. Choose niche banner. I did not pick banner, I believe. I didn't pick banner. Pick banner, okay, this is which one. Let's check if my banner is updated. No banner, but don't worry. Let's just pick it banner. What I like about this could have taken me ages. We've started, we've put our online shop already. So what I do now is easy. I go to here, AutoDS to know about putting in your information. All you need is an account for now. If you then need to fulfill them, you can fill in your information. Unfortunately, I failed to my account is insufficient, but it's still okay. Let's go back. Isn't that me? I want to show you how to put a button quickly in your shop. It's up and running in 5 minutes, as I promised you. So you go to online store, things, go to Pixabay here, Pixabay. Edit store. Even the banner is there now. See, the banner is updated. Let's just preview it. The banner is even updated. Let's preview. So I was worried. The banner is even updated, but I don't like the banner. I might consider changing it. Let's change it. So this is the store. You can see how neat it is, how nice it is. I also built another one. Just today, I've built 2 stores of this AI. Let me show you the other store that I've built. It's quite a good tool. I like. Let me show you. Let's see how cool it is. I built it today with BuildMyStore AI. Check how neat it is. And all these products, they are ready to sell. They are ready to sell. So that's it. Let me share the product page with that one. Use the product page. So now I no longer build a store physically or manually. I just use my AI. Change it. Let's see the catalog. There we go. This device, a Bluetooth device. It's a single product store. Let's see this. You see, I like it in the bundles. Buy 3, buy 1. This will take you ages, believe me, when you are trying to build your own Shopify store. So I urge you to do some customization. If you are new to Shopify, I will link a video up there that can show you around the Shopify dashboard and what to do. I've also done, if you go to Crazy Clicks /courses, I've created an online course called the E-commerce Empire, teaching people how to get started on e-commerce. Creating a store merely on its own is not enough. You need to know how to market the store. You need to know how to update the store and quite a lot other things. You need to know how to get traffic. You need to know even how to customize the store. So I created the course. Check the course, the e-commerce course, e-commerce empire course is for you, created for you, for entrepreneurs who want to get started in 2026. Till next time,